All right, y'all, got me a new hat. Coming home today. Last time I was home, I had to get somebody out of the fence. Come home today, and guess what? The same somebody is in the fence again. All this fence around here, why you keep getting caught in this fence? Let me show y'all what's going on. Look at this here. Look at this. Why you keep getting caught in the fence? Look at this. Look, I ain't never did nothing to go ever in her life, but now she finna act crazy. You remember last time I helped you get out the fence? Now you in it one more time. And last time you was on the other side, now you on this side. What you like about this fence right here? Huh? I should go in the house and eat a sandwich. You. Why you like getting this fence over here? Huh? Answer me. Tell me why you like getting this fence. Nobody else getting this fence but you. Yeah. Stop getting the fence. Yeah. I knocked all over my stuff. Little baby goat. Don't be like your mama. Please, little baby goat. Do not be like your mama. This is not what we're trying to do. Now, I'm gonna get you out of this fence. Don't get back in here again. You're probably thirsty. What? What kind of noise you making? Like a deer or something? Yeah. You ready? Yeah, your tail wagging like you ready now. I'm gonna get you out.